Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and sound at home and welcome to the General Knowledge class for class 7. Open your book of General Knowledge, New General Knowledge Update. Today we are going to start with lesson number 11, Practical Money Skills. In this chapter we are going to learn what is bank account, how we can fill and deposit our money into the bank. Let's start with this interesting topic. What is account number? Account number is a unique number of several digits used to identify the account at a bank. Traditionally, banks in India have 4 types of deposits account, namely current account, saving bank accounts, recurring deposits and fixed deposits. Let's learn how to fill the deposit slip in the bank. On your birthday, you got rupees 3810 in a form of birthday gifts from your relatives. Your parents want you to deposit this amount in your saving bank account. In the pay slip to deposit the amount. Your account number is 42963189000024 and you have 1 note of rupees 2000, 3 notes of rupees 500, 2 notes of rupees 100, 1 note of rupees 50 and 6 notes of rupees 10. Now let's understand how will you fill the pay slip to deposit the money in the bank. This is a picture of deposit slip. The pay-in slip is used for depositing checks as well as cash into your bank account. The pay-in slip contains the information of your bank account and is an instruction to the bank to deposit the money into your bank account. This slip generally contains the name of the account holder, bank account number, details of cash to be deposited and the signature of the depositor. The deposit slip has 2 sides. The right one is to be submitted to the bank and the left one is kept with us. Let's start. In the left side corner, you will see one column of date. You will fill the date when you go to deposit the money. And next to that, you have a account number column where you fill your account number, which is given 42963189000024. And same date and account you will also write on the right hand side also. Next you have a column of name of account holder. Here you write your name or the name of the account holder whose account is there in the bank. Next, bank will ask you some more details to fill out, like what you are going to deposit, cash or a check. If you are going to deposit a check, you need to tick on a check number you have to write and the total amount what you are going to deposit. Similarly, if you are going to deposit cash, the bank will ask you how many notes you have of the different amounts. For example, if you have how many notes you have of 1000 rupees, how many notes do you have of 500 rupees, how many notes you have of 100 rupees. So you need to fill all these details. Then you need to write down the total amount to be deposited in the total column. Then you need to write down the total amount in the words as well. Then at the last you have a column deposited by. Here you need to write down your full name and signature. And then you can deposit the slip in the bank along with the money. Fill the form in the same way I have filled. Put the date in the dates column, account number in account number column and fill the details of the notes like 2000 rupees note 1, 500 rupees 3, 100 2, 51, 10 6 and write in numbers 3800 2 only and signature. In this way you will fill the form. I hope you understood the topic. You can solve the exercises or slips given to you. You can fill it out by yourself. I'll come with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.